Arthur's point of view, Yunmin were happily enjoying their undeclared honeymoon, but unfortunately, they met with Teacock. Jacob became super happy to see each other, whereas Tiki weren't happy at all, especially Yungi, because now he has to share his kids' attention with Cook. He doesn't like their closeness because whenever they both are together, Jimin always forget about Yunki. At first, Yunki didn't let Jikook spend more time with each other, which obviously hurt Jikook, but later he felt bad about his actions. He didn't wanna hurt Jikook. Somehow he handled upset Jimin and diverted his attention. T did the same. After lots of efforts, he got successful in diverting his attention by playing a skit of angel and devil. In the morning, Cook woke up early and hiked the mountain to get ice for Jimin as he wanna see ice. When Junki got to know about this, he got mad on T because he let him go alone to climb the mountain. T requested to Junki to allow Cook to spend some time with Jimin because he can't see his cuckoo sad. Jungi promised him that he will never come in between their friendship. They both were talking. Just then, Cook happily came there with a chunk of snow and showed to them. Jungi became super shocked to see this, but then also he allowed him to meet Jimin. When Jimin saw this, he became so very mad on Cook because of his reckless deed. Yes, he was happy, but he never once Cook hurts himself. He scolded him a lot but hugged him too. They both happily went to Tiki to join them on their breakfast. Let's see what happens next. Jimin hurriedly went to Yoongi. John! 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 Yoongi looked at him. You again started running? First come and sit here, then tell me what happened. Jimin, what's the meaning of? Cook, why haven't you two given us yet? Yoongi spilled the coffee on the floor and T choked his strawberry. After hearing, they both looked at each other's face, then Ji-Cook and said, Tiki, why didn't I? Jimin, mad, yes. Yoongi, mad, shut up. Where did you learn about this word from, Cook, scared. T, does it bad word? T looked at him. No, Cuckoo. But where did you learn this from? Yoongi, don't tell me you talked with Jin Hyang. Jimin, no, Jinny Hangi didn't talk with us. Should we ask from Jinny Hangi? Cookie, call to Jinny Hangi. Yoongi, no need to ask anything from him. Don't you dare to call him about anything. Jimin, stubbornly, you aren't telling us anything about this and now you are stopping us to ask from Jinny Hangi too. You are so mean, Mini Uni. Yoongi, aren't you talking too much nowadays? Jimin, no. Hyang, please calm down. Jimin, Cuckoo, first tell us where did you learn this word from? Cook, when we are coming here, we saw a Hyang and a Nuna were doing something at the corner of the corridor. When we asked to them, then Hyang said he was giving his wife. Jimin, and when we asked about, then he said it was a couple thing. It shows how much your partner loves you. It's a symbol of being in relationship. Nona said it's compulsory. It is given on neck, and when you have milky soft skin, then it comes out more beautifully. They looked at each other's face, then Ji-Cook and gulped hard. Yoongi, you must be misunderstood their word, as you don't know English. Jimin, no, we didn't misunderstand anything. Cookie knows English. He can speak and understand little. Now you can't make me fool. Yoongi, shut up. Jimin, why do I shut up? You shut up, Mini Uni. pulled his clothes from shoulder and showed his smooth unmarked his neck, which is begging to get marked. See, I also have a soft and clear neck, but you haven't given me yet. Yoongi gulped hard to see his unmarked skin and immediately pulled his clothes back. What are you doing? Cover yourself properly. You will catch cold. Don't you dare to do this again. Jimin, wait! Yoongi, because I'm saying this. Jimin, I wanna know about it, so tell me now. Yoongi, you shouldn't know about this. Jimin, hey, Nuna said it's couple thing. See, we are also couple, so we should do couple things too. Cook, Jimmy Hangi is right. And if it's love marriage couple things, then we are love marriage couple lah. Then why haven't you given me? Pulled his clothes and showed his neck to him. See, I also have a soft and a clear neck like Jimmy Hangi. T pulled back his clothes. It's not like that, Cuckoo. You shouldn't know about this yet. You are still very young. Cook. No, I'm not young. I already completed my college. I know you don't know about. That's why you aren't telling me. Who made you professor? Jimin. Cookie, let's go and ask to other about it. I'm sure they will definitely give us. After all, we have soft and clear neck. About to go. Yoongi held his hand and again made him sit. What the hell are you talking about? Sit here quietly. You don't need to go anywhere. Jimin, if you don't want us to go, then tell us its meaning. Stood up. Yoongi strictly. Jimin. Jimin immediately sat there with big pout and started bubbling. What does this mean? You think about himself? Huh? He always gives me order and poor me, I have to listen to him. He always takes advantage of my poor innocent soul. Arthur, from since he became a poor innocent soul, Yoongi served everyone's breakfast. Now start eating. Tea, Hyang, Yoongi, Tea. Have you planned any outing for today? Yoongi, nah, I thought you will plan something, so I didn't arrange anything. Tea, yes, I arranged something, but I think you don't like it. Yoongi looked at Jimin, who was eating his food while pouting. I like everything, Tea. We will go there. Tea, then fine, after the breakfast, we will go. Time skipped after some times. Jacob was still pouting and didn't talk with Tinky. They all came in some place where they are going to do some kind of activity. T. Hang, I'm going to get our tickets. You wait here. Jungi, T. Cuckoo, baby, let's go and get our tickets, said lovingly. Cook turned his face to Jimin. Jimmy Hangi, I don't wanna go anywhere. Tell to T dragged him. You should come with me, baby. Left. Jimin, you both are same meaning. Jungi held his hand and turned to himself. What happened to you? Jimin, nothing. I don't wanna talk to you. Jungi, wait. What did I do now? Jimin, nothing. I don't want to talk to Nini Yuni. Jungi held his hand and dragged him some place where CCTV couldn't catch them. Jimin, hey, where are you taking me? I told you I'm not going anywhere with you. Jungi pinned him near the wall and hovered him. Shh, don't make noise. Now tell me, why are you angry on me? Jimin, you scolded me. Jungi, I didn't. Jimin, yes you did, and you even tell me to keep quiet too. I won't talk to you. Jungi, I said that because you weren't listening to me. Then what should I do? Jimin, you should answer my questions. Jungi, but your question is not appropriate. You shouldn't know about it. Jimin, me, I'm 21 now, legally adult and married too. I have full rights to know about married things. You know that Nona and Hang just married. They came here on honeymoon and Hang gave her. We are married since a long time and now we are also on our honeymoon. But you still haven't given? Very bad, Jun, very bad. Junki, wait, we are on honeymoon? Eyes widened. Jimin, yes, we are also on honeymoon, just like that Nuna and Hang and Cookie and Sir T. Junki, who said this to you that we are on honeymoon? Jimin, nobody. I understood everything. Don't you remember once you said that in honeymoon couples go on new places and explore the things and know about each other? Yuki, I said that so. Jimin, so we are also exploring new things. We are visiting new places and knowing each other. So we are also on honeymoon now. Yuki, technically you are right. Jimin, but you don't love me. Yungi, who said this? I do love you. Jimin, then why haven't you given me yet? Do you think I don't have soft and clear neck? Yungi, no, you have the softest and baby-like skin. Jimin, then I also wanna flaunt it to everyone. Yungi, it's nothing to flaunt. Usually people hide it. Jimin, first give me, then I will decide. Yungi, you won't listen to me, right? Jimin, you should listen to your one and only kid, na? Yungi, Ash, my one and only kid. Okay, then fine, then listen. It's a type of mark. Put his right index finger on his neck. When you get his hair, here's his skin turned light shade of blue or purple. That's called a. Jimin immediately pulled Yoongi's clothes from his neck and peeked on it multiple times. Yoongi immediately hid his face with his one hand. He didn't expect Jimin will show his bold move. Thousands of butterflies started dancing in his tummy. A chill shiver ran down to his spine when Jimin's soft and plumpy lips touched on Yoongi's neck. Indeed, he only peeked him, but it gave him thousand-fold shock. It was his first time when someone kissed on his neck. First, he didn't expect this, and secondly, Jimin's slightest touch drove Yoongi so crazy. He was tightly hugging and giving him peeks non-stop, which easily turned him on. He quickly pushed Jimin, and Jimin wins hard. Jimin, why did you push me? Yoongi, what are you doing? Jimin, I'm checking the truth of your words. See, I kissed you too, but it didn't turn purple. Why? Yoongi, because you picked me, not kiss. Jimin held Yoongi's waist and pulled him more closer to himself and tilted his neck. Then kiss me and show how do we get. Yoongi curved out to see his clear, unmarked skin and looked down. I will show you everything when right time comes. Trust me, I will teach you each and everything and we will try everything, every single thing. Now go to Tiko ran from there while shouting. Jimin, confused. What happened to him? Why did he run from here like this? And what will we gonna try? Which right time he is talking about? June became so crazy. Sometimes he behaves so weird. Never mind, let's go to Cookie and Sir T. Meanwhile, with Tea Cook, Tea brought their tickets and waiting outside for Yunmin. Cook is so upset from him. Let's see how will he coax his cuckoo. Tea back hugged him. Cuckoo, baby, why are you angry? Cook, leave me. You didn't tell me the meaning of Tea. Cuckoo is couple thing. when a partner kissed on hair, placed his finger on his neck and suck hard and sometimes bite too, then it leaves a purple mark and that mark is called place soft kisses on his neck. Can't tell you this in front of Sugar Yang. You remembered when he caught us while kissing? Then how did he scold us? That's why I didn't tell you earlier. Did you understand? Cook, really? Are you saying the truth? Why would I lie to my cuckoo? Cook, it's just a kiss, na. Then why haven't you given me yet? Baby, it's not just about a kiss. We decided now we will do everything when you will get ready. Cook, when will I get ready and how will you know? I will be no. I understand my cuckoo very well. Now don't spoil your mood. I planned so many amazing surprises for you. Cook, I will decide that your surprise is amazing or not. You will love it, I'm sure. Jimmy Cookie stopped at his place and immediately turned around. I'm sorry, I'm going. Bye. Broke the hug and turned around. Jimin, wait. You don't need to go anywhere. We were just talking. Jimin hesitatingly turned around. Oh, okay, sir. You came here alone? Where is Sugar Yang? Jimin shrugged his shoulders. Don't know. He ran from there and told me to go to you both. Don't know what happened to Yang. Anyways, give me your hand. Let me tie your ticket on your wrist. Jimin gave his hand and T tied his ticket on his wrist. Jimin looked at his ticket. Sir, where are we going? Cook, Jimin, TT planned some surprises. Jimin, excited. Oh wow! You know, Cookie, you also planned so many surprises for me. He gave me so many amazing surprises. Yoongi came there. You all are still talking? T looked at him. We were waiting for you. Gave him his ticket. Your ticket, Yang. Yoongi, tied his on his wrist. Jimin whispered to Cook, Cookie, let me show you a magic. Cook whispered back, what magic? Jimin, I can make Yoon's face completely red like tomato. Cook, but how? Jimin, just wait and watch. Yoon, Tiamo, shouts. Yoongi started blushing and his face immediately turned red. He looked down and walking away with T. Jimin whispered to Cook, see, I told you, whenever I see him TMO, his face all immediately turned red. Cook, TMO, what does it mean? Jimin shrugged his shoulders. Don't know, once you said to me this, but when I said the same thing, he started behaving like this. I will try this on TT, okay? Jimin, okay. Jikook ran to Tiki and held their partner's arm. Yoongi whispered in Jimin's ear, Tiamo, my little Jimmy. This little Jimmy is teasing our cat for getting shy, but see how hard he blushed whenever Yoongi said Tiamo to him. If you think he felt shy just because of TMO, then you are wrong. He felt shy because the way Yoongi said this to him. Cook whispered to T. TMO, my TT. T looked at him with confused eyes. TMO, what's this? Cook, you don't know who made you professor. Whenever I ask something to you, you never know that word. Cuckoo, I'm maths professor, not language. How will I know about this? Cook, you're just useless. Walked away from him. T ran behind him. Cuckoo, baby, listen to me. Yunmin looked at them with an annoying face. It's nothing new for them. They are always behaving like this. They are the younger version of Namjoon. On the other hand, our Yunmin is busy in their lovey-dovey romance. Time skipped after some times. Yunmin and Teacock were standing at some place. Here, everywhere is just water. They are near the sea. Note: don't ask me from where sea come when they are in mountain region. I also don't know. I wrote it because of a storyline demand, so don't take it seriously. Why do I choose sea? You will know in next episode. T. Cuckoo, baby, this is your surprise. How is it? Cook looked here and there. What surprising thing here? I saw sea so many times before too. T turned his face to upward. That is your surprise. Cook looked upwards. What's that? T. See it by yourself. They all looked upward and saw a girl was standing at there, and suddenly she jumped. Junmin's breath held. They looked at each other's face, then Teacock. Junmin, she jumped. T smiled. It's called bungee jumping. We will also do that. Junmin, super shocked. What? To be continued. Questions. How's the episode? How was T's surprise? Wanna see some hot couple activities in water? Arthur's note. That's it for today. I hope you all like it. A long and chaotic episode. Poor Tiggy got too much innocent and curious husbands who love to check their husband's patience, especially our little Jimmy, who will turn Yoongi mad one day. Aren't we missing romance? So in next episode you will gonna see little Jimny's wild fantasies, Junmin's romance, which will give you whole zoo to dance in your tummy along with butterflies. So are you ready? I know you are always ready to become third wheel in Junmin's romance. I hope you all enjoyed it. We will meet soon with new episode. Till then, take care of yourself. Love you all. If you like this story, then please do like, subscribe, share and comment. I assure you that you will never gonna regret on your decision. Thanks for watching.